Hello, how to solve n times n times n, and this equals 27 divided by 8. We are solving for all values of n that satisfy this equation. So n times n, that's n power 2 times n. This is n power 3, and this equals 27 divided by 8. Now, if you consider 27, you know that 27 equals 3 to the power of 3. That's 3 times 3 times 3. And also, if you consider 8, you know that 8 equals 2 to the power of 3. That is 2 times 2 times 2. We are trying to express the 27 and the 8 in this form so that the exponent will be the same. That is 3, 3, and 3. So let's replace them here. We are going to have n power 3 equals 27 is 3 power 3 divided by 8 is 2 to the power of 3. Now, let's consider this identity again. If you have a power c divided by b power c, this equals a divided by b raised to the power of c. So we apply the same identity here. We are going to have n power 3 equals 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3. And from here, we can notice over here, it becomes minus. So we have n power 3 minus 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3. And this equals 0. So at this point, we have power 3. We have power 3, and this is minus. So we can expand this using this identity. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And in this case, a equals n and b equals 3 over 2. So let's insert everything right here. That means we are going to have, this is n minus 3 over 2 times n squared plus n times 3 over 2 plus b squared, that is 3 over 2 raised to the power of 2, and this equals 0. So right now, you can have n minus 3 over 2 times this is n squared plus n times 3, that is 3n divided by 2 plus 3 power 2, 3 power 2, that's 9, divided by 2 power 2, that is 4, and this equals 0. So you can decide to equate each of these to 0. You have the first one, n minus 3 over 2 equals 0. Or you have this one here, n squared plus 3n over 2 plus 9 over 4 equals 0. Now to solve this one here, we can simply move this over. That means we are going to have n equals 3 over 2. This is our n1. So let's solve this quadratic equation to find the other values of n. Now what we can do will be to find the common LCM. So I have n squared plus 3n over 2 plus 9 over 4 equals 0. So the common LCM here is 4. I have 4, this over 1, and this over 1. So I'm going to have 4 divided by 1, 4 times n squared. This is 4n squared plus 4 divided by 2, 2 times 3n. This is 6n plus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 9. You have 9. This equals 4 divided by 1, 4 times 0. This is 0. So this is over 1. We can cross multiply. The 4 will multiply the 0. That will cancel out. That will give us 0. And 1 will multiply this. You have 4n squared plus 6n plus 9. And this equals 0. So this becomes the quadratic equation that we are going to solve. So let's solve this using the formula method. If you write the formula in respect to n, negative p plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. The 4 is our a, that is the coefficient of n squared. 6 is my b, and this is my c. So from here, I'm going to have n equals negative b. That's negative 6. That's negative 6 because b is positive 6. Plus or minus square root of b squared, 6 power 2, minus 4 times c, that is 9. And this is divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 4. So from here, I have n equals negative 6 plus or minus square root of 6 power 2. This is 36 minus 4 times 4. That is 16 times 9. That is 144. And this is divided by 8. So from here, I have n equals negative 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 144. This is negative 108. And this is divided by 8. So from here, you simply have n equals, this is negative 6 plus or minus, there's minus here, our square root of negative 1 times square root of 108 divided by 8. So from here, we have n equals negative 6 plus or minus square root of negative 1 here is I times square root of 108. We can express it as product of 36 times 3. And this is divided by 8. From here, we have n equals negative 6 plus or minus I times square root of 36. This is 6 root 3 divided by 8. So from here, we can reduce this. That is 2 cancel this, 4, to cancel this 3, cancel this 3. So we have n equals, this is negative 3 plus or minus I times 3 root 3. And this is divided by 4. So from here, I can factor all 3 over 4. Have n equals, this is 3 over 4 times negative 4 plus or minus I root 3. So right now, I have 2 complex values for n. I have n2 equals 3 over 4 times negative 1 plus I root 3. And also, I have n3. This is 3 over 4 times negative 1 minus I root 3. So these are the 2 complex solutions. Now, consider the real solution that we have. That is 3 over 2. So the next thing we can do will be to insert 3 over 2 for n here. So I have check n equals 3 over 2. So let's insert it here. We have 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 equals 27 divided by 8. We are just replacing this n with 3 over 2. Replacing this with 3 over 2. And replacing this with 3 over 2. So we have this. So right now what we can do will be to multiply the numerator. 3 times 3, and 9 times 3, 27. We have 27 divided by 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 8, and this equals 27 divided by 8. Left hand side equals right hand side. That satisfies the equation. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.